learn and study. So in this session, we will be discussing another portion of the chapter heat. So friends, let's get started. In this session, we will be discussing the conduction of heat and conductors and insulators of heat. So friends, first we will see what do you mean by conduction of heat. The process in which heat transfer from hot end to cold end is known as conduction. Now, how does heat transfer from hot end to cold end? When an end of an object is exposed to the heat, the molecule starts to vibrate in that region. We all know that when vibration occurs, there is a to and fro motion. So because of the to and fro motion of the molecules, they hit each other and share the heat. And conduction mainly takes place through solids. Why do we say that conduction mainly occurs in solids and not liquid and gases? We say that because the molecular arrangement in liquids and gases are loosely packed. So when they vibrate, they cannot hit each other and share the heat. Now, according to the amount of heat that is transferred through an object, they are classified into two, that are insulating materials and conductors, or conductors and insulators. Now, let's see what conductors and insulators are. Conductors. Material that allow heat to flow is known as conductors of heat. Now, what is insulator? Materials that do not allow heat to flow is known as insulator of heat. Now let's see some examples for conductors of heat. Most of the metals are conductors of heat, like copper, lead, tin, nickel, steel, zinc are all conductors of heat. And silver is the best conductor of heat. But we don't use it much often because it is expensive. Instead, we use copper. Now, some examples for insulators are plastic, wood, air and water. Now, here comes questions relating to conductors and insulators of heat. Why do we wear woolen sweaters when it is cold? We wear woolen sweaters because wool is a bad conductor of heat, or we can say that it is an insulator. And also, they have tiny pockets that contain air. Also, air is an insulator of heat. So the heat of our body will be trapped in the woolen sweater and the coldness outside will not enter or contract through the sweater. So we feel warm when we wear sweaters. Now another question. Why do we use plastic or wooden handles for cooking utensils? We use plastic or wooden handles for cooking utensils because they are insulators of heat. If we use conductors of heat, we would probably burn our hand. And that was the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If it was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and thank you.